Hello guys, that's the Ben Johnson, as you already know. In this channel we build bikes. So guys, in today I got this mail right here from a customer to build a BMX CUB. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So without further ado, let's do that, guys.
Hello guys, this is Ben Johnson from Ben TV, guys. And if you're new in my channel, this is what I do. I build bikes like BMX CUB, street CUB, trikes, cripple bike, dead bike, go-kart, quad, and many kinds of bikes, guys. So if you want to build bike like this, you want to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, guys.
Checking up on a pipe, thick pipe. So guys, I'm searching for a bigger pipe. Another is a 2 mm pipe, 2x2. How about this? No. No. Yes. No. Yeah, guys. This pipe is pretty good. No sabe the price. Cha. We're gonna be using this pipe right here to do the BMX motorcycle, guys, which I call this thing a LB CUB, guys. There's another CUB frame. You are seeing it right there because I want to use some support with this. The reason why I'm using this thing is I want it to be strong. So guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to build this thing step by step, guys. I'm gonna show you the basic two things you're gonna be doing if you want to build a BMX CUB. Now guys, which I call it the LB CUB. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, guys, so you're gonna be getting videos like this, guys. So let's get into the tutorial. I chop these pieces off and I got some space to go like that with the pipe. So I'm gonna put a longer pipe right there. So we're gonna got the BMS shape, right? So we are doing that right now, guys.
Motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Okay guys, this is this level. I got the box piece, the back and front, and the back like that. So guys, this is last couple of the engine right now, and I got to look pretty good, guys.
This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic. You can't stop it, it's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break
Okay guys, so see here is the switch.
real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the humanness that lives in the past. Move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing.
The bike is still there.
I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic. Got me going off when I'm on this topic. Yeah, if I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest.
And the lights.
Toxic, you know your face, no way, you don't want it. Yeah. Don't try to drain
Okay
my
guys,
energy.
package the bike. Right now I'm about to send it from the customer who ordered this bike. So guys, we got it done. We built it right there, and everything is done right now, guys. So we're gonna send the bike right now, guys. So please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, guys. So peace.